The most doubtful question in my life is who are the parents of IPUTHOU NONGTA LAI LEN PAKHANGPA and who is the god Pakhangpa in NONGKHONG KOIBA? Well, the IPUTHOU Pakhangpa we worship today here is the son of King Sen Treng and Queen Sana Rembi or Sandrembi from Sandrembi Chai Shra, our folklore which turned out to be an actual history written in Meidingu NONGTA LAI LEN PAKHANGPA Puya. His real name is Menchi Sana Lenungkompa. He is the incarnation of God, APANPA, the real Pakhangpa. You learn in NONGKHONG KOIBA, revolving the universe with his brother Sanamahi, the Ashipa. So Epu means elder, Thu means Thonafaba, brave, NONGTA means sent by gods. Lai Len means Athoibalai, supreme god. Pakhangpa is a title given to the enlightened one who embraced forefathers. The brave elder, sent by gods, who himself is the supreme god. He is the one who can change his appearance to anything in the universe.